Lights, camera, safety. Hi, I'm Rachel with Ally Safety, and this fall, we're launching something big, the very first Safety Video Awards Show. Yay! Ally Safety is hosting a first ever Occupational Safety and Health Oscars, or OSHCARS for short. I've been making videos for 5 years now, and ever since I started making safety videos, so many people have told me they had ideas for great safety videos and wanted to try their hand at video creation, but hadn't taken the leap yet. This leads me to think there's a lot of hidden talent out there, and maybe you just need a little incentive to get your start. So if you've ever wanted to make safety entertaining, here's your chance. We want to see your creativity. Whether it's hilarious, dramatic, or just plain impactful, if it's about safety, it's in. This contest is open worldwide to anyone, and it's not just limited to safety pros. So if you're in the trades, a student, a professional, or anyone who has a great safety message to share, we want to hear from you. Entries will be accepted from October 1st to November 24th, and on December 10th, we'll have our virtual awards ceremonies, which you can actually join in the link below. Winners will take home prizes, Ally Safety swag, and maybe even get featured on our channel. So here's how it works. Make a safety video between 30 seconds and 4 minutes long. It can be vertically or horizontally oriented. It has to cover at least one safety training objective and follow our rules of submission on the contest page. Submit your video to the contest page by November 24th, and our team of judges will review it. Then join us for the virtual awards show on December 10th, where we'll reveal the winners live. This is your chance to show us how safety training can be entertaining. Showcase your storytelling skills and maybe even launch a future in safety media with Ally Safety. So grab your camera or get your phone and get creative, because the world is ready for your safety story.